mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Welcome to my vlog. Good life, good person. Good life, good person. Don't live. I'm your vlogger, teacher Gary Don. Sharing you how hard is to ride with my new friend here, mom. We're going to Mintal and me picking you. We cannot ride almost 1 hour already. Waiting for the jeep. This one kaya?
Ayan, pwede na.
Wangi.
Masakay ka.
Ini ma'am. Alit ma'am. Pwede na pa. Ikaw na. Ay, excuse me. Pwede diri lang senior, ma'am. Senior man good. Sinsya na. Sakit ang ayun sa man eh. Sorry. Asa ka ma'am, gaan ka. So, nakakuha na rin kami ng ride with the elderly. Finally, almost 1 hour waiting just to get a ride going to this is the elderly. This is the condition now I'm riding. This is my new life in Davao. New beginning. The chosen life of a retired teacher. But I enjoyed running just to get my ride. So, wonderful life. In Davao, life is here again. I'm riding elderly, going to Mintal. I'll be going down. You have to run like that. So, you need to run here so you can get the ride. Seniority, senior is not a priority. As long as you can run, so you get the ride. Actually, we're able to get the ride a few minutes ago. However, there are 2 students who run and they overtake us, so we did not catch up the ride. So this is life in Davao with my co-passengers there. And that is the one you have to request your co-passenger bayad palihog, just like that. It's not the way that after you have going down, you should pay to the driver on the here. Although the vehicle is still moving, you can request your co-passengers bayad po paabot sa bayad. So let's bayad now. Bayad na po ko. Where's my money? I need to pay now. I might go back. Yeah, that's it. You have to abot or tuhod lang. So this time I will also pay my fare going there. Where's my money? Ouch. We need to look at our pockets. Passengers to give this to the driver. Pakiabot bayad. Senior bagong sakay, pikinyo rako, pikinyo senior. So that is the best practices in Davao. My new life here. Pikinyo. Oh, senior. Bagong sakay. That's life here. So sharing is wonderful. But for me, I'd like to pay as well as I'm seated, because I might forget that I was not able to pay money there on this jeep. Riding the elderly now, back, we are jump back in as much as already 5 o'clock. The time for students to go the employees, those who are working. Meanwhile, let me share to you the condition of the traffic here. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So that's it. The co-passenger will also give it to you. The driver rather will request to abot to you. So, this is my life, and I'm embracing my new life now. My new beginning, my new chosen migration to Davao City. New hope, new life, and new beginning starts here. Davao life is here again. I love people of Davao. They're accommodating, disciplined people. If you're asking some questions, they will gladly answer you politely. They will make their effort to help you, whatever are your needs, especially if you're looking for specific place you would like to go. With all respect and courtesy and politeness, I have experienced that many times. One more I like here in Davao is, of course, this bridge, so remarkable, the Davao Bridge. But above all, I love living in Davao. And as much as people are really good people of Davao, under the good governance of the Dutertes, with political will to govern in Davao, and of course the whole Philippines. So there are other chief for Kalinan. That's for the signboard is Kalinan. This is it. Thank you for joining me today. My city tour in Davao. We're still moving, so the traffic is still in a good situation. You can only stop if there is the red traffic light, but we are moving on. My observation, there are already many people there waiting for the ride. This is my day in Davao City. Thank you for joining me, my share of the practices, best practices in Davao City. Riding a vehicle. I am a vlogger, teacher being retired teacher, Erlina being Basilio Lindon. Don't forget to like, comment my YouTube Babuay channel, including my reels. Bababa kayo, sir? My page. Erlina Lindon. Okay, that's it. Going down, and another passenger or more passengers